Hey, what is up YouTube? Demon Sparks here. Today we're showing off a new purchase for $40. It's a Huffy. It's a 26-inch Huffy Santa Fe. Pretty decent shape. I like the color on it. It's pretty nice. Needs to be cleaned up. The paint job's pretty good still. I think it's still pretty nice. So, this is going to be a project bike. I'll be installing an 80cc 2-stroke motor kit on this bike. Got the V-style frame, it's a men's Cruizer. I got coaster brake in the back. And as you can see, it's got the nice chrome splash guard fenders for the wheels. And this is just as is, as a fresh purchase, so it hasn't been cleaned up or touched up yet, which I will be doing shortly. So this is going to be part one for the build, so stay tuned for the rest of the build videos and watch as it comes along. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy, like and subscribe, stay tuned for more.